Hello, I'm Mrs. Silva and I am one of the middle and senior school resource teachers, and I will be conducting a section of the parent orientation night regarding the work we do at the Learning Center. This is my fourth year at Vancouver College. I have a background in world literature and I went to UBC for my master's in literacy and language education. For the last 3 years, I have been lucky enough to supervise the amazing work done by our dedicated tutors at the Peer Tutoring Club, which is a program that offers academic support to students who are struggling in specific subject areas. It's a program mostly run by qualified student volunteers. They dedicate their time and their effort to help fellow VC students. And the Learning Center just oversees the administrative logistics and provides the resources, a welcoming space to allow the tutors to do their best and to encourage students to get the help they need. I also work as a resource teacher at the Learning Center, where we provide support in various areas. TLC blocks are mostly study blocks that have a focus on skill building. We assess and administer specialized programs to help students develop skills and improve in specific areas like memory, like math, computation, social thinking, reading fluency. We're supported by a multidisciplinary team of EAs, psychologists, speech language pathologists, and peer mentors. We teach our students to strategize. We teach them to plan, to organize so they can achieve success. We encourage independence. So our boys reflect on their unique learning process and style, and we teach them to self-advocate for their specific needs. Finally, the Learning Center has a focus on evidence-based practices and techniques that put the whole person at the center. We really strive to enhance mental health, to promote ways to live a life of fulfillment. My main goal as a resource teacher is to be of service, to help students understand themselves so they can strategize to be successful, as well as educate others about the most effective ways to enhance their learning. My main expectations are for the students to be fully present, to be receptive to the help and the support that we can provide, and to be accepting and kind to each other, but especially to themselves. When attending sessions in person, students are accountable for making a good use of their time and working towards their goals in TLC. And on their days off campus, all senior students and mentors are expected to check their TLC, Google Classroom, and participate in the posted activities. Well, thanks for your attention. If you have any questions, you can email me at psilva@mail.vc.bc.ca.